What's up, Moto fans? Michael here at Moto Machines, and today we're continuing the Tenere 700 build series with an overview of the Hepco and Becker skid plate. The Tenere 700 comes with a skid plate, and that's fantastic to see because a bike like this should come with one. Now, it's made of aluminum and it's rather strong for how thin it is, but if you're really wanting to test the metal of your Tenere 700, you're going to have to upgrade the skid plate at some point. And that is where the Hepco and Becker one comes into play. Now, this skid plate is available in two different colorways. You have silver, which is similar to the OEM finish, and then you also have this black here. Now, following our theme with putting black accessories on the motorcycle, we opted for the black skid plate. The Hepco and Becker skid plate is special because it is about 4 millimeters thick. That is pretty much twice as thick as the OEM skid plate. It's a good bit thicker, and that thickness is going to help save your delicate oil pan and engine casing from being cracked or destroyed when you're off-road. Now, this skid plate does not cover the rear linkage, but if you're handy enough, you could probably drill through the back of it and attach some sort of cover for the linkage. The skid plate also has these really nice plastic frame rails along the bottom here. Now, those plastic frame rails are going to, instead of shear off or potentially you lose them, they're going to help glide you over surfaces because they're slick and they won't catch like a metal bolt that protrudes wood. They also have all these really nice portings here to kind of help aid in airflow so your engine doesn't overheat at all. The Hepco and Becker skid plate has one more trick up its sleeve, and that is when you have the skid plate attached to the motorcycle and all the bolts are finger tight, there are conveniently placed holes right where the bolts are, so you don't have to fuss around trying to fit a wrench somewhere it doesn't necessarily fit to tighten it, and they're all easy to access. So there's no fussing around. Once it's on, you can tighten it and you're good to go, ready to ride. Now that that's all out of the way, let's show you how to install it. That's all we got for you guys today. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in more content like this, hit that bell notification to stay up to date on all the latest Moto Machines madness. Ride safe.